In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set start dates in Asana. Setting a start date alongside a due date helps you plan work, realistically communicate expectations to your team, and see a clear timeline of when progress should begin and when it needs to wrap up. Let's walk through it together so you can apply this quickly on any task. First, open the task you want to schedule. Click the task so its details pane opens on the side of your screen. This is where you'll see the task title, assignee, and other fields you can edit. Keeping the details pane open ensures you're updating the right task and can immediately confirm that your changes are saved. Next, click the date field near the top left of the details pane. It may already show a due date, or it might simply say due date. Clicking this field opens the calendar picker, which is where you'll set both your start and due dates. If you already have a due date, that's fine. Opening the calendar here is still the right move. Now look toward the bottom left of the calendar for the link that says Add Start Date. Click that. This turns the single date picker into a date range selector, allowing you to define a window of time for the task rather than just a deadline. Think of this as telling Asana, work on this task should begin here and it should be finished by there. With start dates enabled, choose your start date first by clicking the day on the calendar when you want work to begin. Then click your due date, which is when the work needs to be completed. You'll see the range highlighted, so it's clear how many days the task spans. If you realize you clicked the wrong day, simply click the correct dates before you close the calendar. You can set a start and due date that are the same if you plan to begin and finish on the same day, or choose a longer range if the task requires more time. After you've picked both dates, the calendar closes and the date field updates immediately to show the range you selected. There's no separate save button here. Your changes are applied automatically. From now on, your task appears with that start to due window in Asana's views, which helps with scheduling, workload visibility, and keeping everyone on track. That's all there is to it. Open the task, click the date field, add a start date, and select your start and due dates. With this simple habit, your planning becomes clearer, your timelines make more sense, and your team knows exactly when to